Last month, WFMY News 2 turned 75. So to honor the year, we're opening the News 2 vault. September 22nd, 1989, Hurricane Hugo reminded the triad that being inland didn't mean being out of harm's way from a hurricane. Hurricane Hugo made landfall in Charleston, South Carolina as a Category 4 storm, but the storm kept its strength as it continued north. It caused serious damage along coastal cities like Holden Beach, but the storm also brought devastating wind and rain to Charlotte and the Piedmont. People in our area experienced downed trees and downed power lines and were without power for days. 7 people in North Carolina died as a result of Hurricane Hugo, and officials say it caused $7 billion in damage nationwide.